In the heart of Whatcom County, midway between Bellingham, Ferndale, and Linden, is one of the finest berry farms on the West Coast. But it's so much more than just a berry farm. Boxx Berry Farm has 25 high-producing acres, perfect for growing a wide variety of fruits, flowers, and vegetables. This award-winning farm grows everything from onions, corn, beets, and of course, berries. It's virtually a one-stop produce market. Boxx Berry Farm has built a reputation for quality, and with such a great location, loyal customers always come back. Time and time again, whether it's to the you-pick berries or to enjoy the kid-friendly amenities, there is truly something here for everyone. In the country store, you'll find flowers, homemade jams, syrups, salad dressings, honey, and ice cream. The country store has a large display area, spacious walk-in cooler, a stainless steel kitchen, restrooms, and office space upstairs. Conveniently located off Northwest Drive, there's plenty of parking for customers. Directly behind the country store is a nearly new state-of-the-art fruit packing and processing warehouse. In addition to the country store and the fruit processing warehouse are multiple outbuildings ideal for this working farm. The property includes 2 homes. The first is a comfortable 4-bedroom, 2-bath, single-story home with an attached 2-car garage. The second is a cozy 1-bedroom home. The Boxx family is open to helping the new owner have a smooth, successful transition. For more details, contact us today regarding this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.